Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today guys, I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful wig from West Kiss. This is a beautiful wig that you can rock two ways, puffy or wet. Let me know which one is your favorite on the comment section. So let's get to unbox. This wig came with this slipping bonnet, and it's a beautiful quality slipping bonnet, and then with the wig cap and also the elastic band to lay edges, some eyelashes and these things, and it also came with a brush for edges. And this is the package. One thing I like about this company is that when you order your wig, they ask you your size. This size is size medium. So let's get to review the wig. This is the lace of the wig. It's a HD lace wig. The lace and the lace is pre-cut for you and pre-bleached, and it has an adjustable band, and the size of the cap is medium, so you get to choose the size of your own cap. Like if you like a large, you would order a large. If it's small, you order small, but I ordered medium. So let's get to install the wig. It is very easy to install this wig. You just tint the lace with your foundation shade and you just wear it. It is as easy as that. And you can also adjust the wig if you like to adjust it on the band. And this is it guys, and I like the fact that the lace quite covers most of my hairline. It's not like those small ones, like the small closures. The closure goes all the way. It covers, not, it doesn't go from ear to ear, but it covers most of my hairline. That's what I like about this wig. And also the hair texture is such a beautiful texture. When you comb it, it just becomes beautiful and puffy and kinky, and when you make it wet, the curls just go back to hugging each other. So I love it. So right here I was fitting it nicely on my head. I like the fact that on the cap they created space for my ears to sit properly, so it is very comfortable and it sits nicely. You don't have to use any product to lay the lace. It just sits on its own. You don't need much. And I like the fact that when you comb it or when you brush through it, the shedding is minimal to zero. And then I decided to put like a wax stick just to make it flat, and used some medium heat to make it flat on top. And then that was it guys. There's basically not much you do with this wig. This is me showing you guys that this wig is glueless, completely glueless. You don't need to apply anything. You just lift it, you just wear it and you go. And the fact that when it sits, it doesn't move around. Whether you move your head like that, it doesn't move. It stays where it's supposed to stay, and I absolutely love it. And I also love the fact that they trimmed it at the bottom like that. It looks so beautiful. This was me before combing it, and then I decided to comb it to make it kinky and give it more volume. And then I took my brush and then combed the hair. Guys, this hair doesn't shed. Like, it doesn't shed. I'm so impressed. I'm so happy. I love it. And then this is me creating a wet look. I just sprayed the curls with water, just water only, and then I brushed through the hair with my brush. Still, when I was brushing it while it's wet, it was not shedding. Bro, I am so happy. I love the quality of this wig. And then I went in again with more water, and then at the back as well I'd put more water just to make sure that it is damp enough. And then after that I took a foam wrap, or you can take a leave-in conditioner and then you apply it on your curls like that, so your curls hold each other and hug each other very beautifully. I love this wig, guys. I love it. Which one do you guys prefer? Do you prefer rocking it puffy, like kinky like that, or do you prefer it wet like this, when the curls are hugging each other? Let me know down the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. This is how it looks at the back. I love the trim. I love the trim. Don't forget to check, guys, the description box in order for you to find the link to shop the hair. I absolutely love this beautiful wig right here. This is my new favorite, and the fact that it came at the right time. This right now in South Africa it's winter, so this wig is going to come in very handy because I love it. I feel like it will work beautifully with the outfits that I have for winter. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video up until here. I'm gonna see you guys on the next coming video. Please don't forget to check the description box and also give this video a huge beautiful thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching up until the end. Make sure that you order your own, because baby, don't sleep on yourself. This is a gorgeous wig. I love the quality. I love their cap. It is so comfortable. I'm gonna see you guys on the next coming one. Bye.